It was March 2nd of 2021 that I started working at Dlubal Software. It's been 2 years now. I remember the application process was pretty fast. I sent my application around January, and within a week, Daniel Dlubal contacts me and goes, "Hey, do you have time for a video call this week?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." So yeah, we talked, and within a few weeks, I had my contract signed in February and started working in March. The first few weeks I had this onboarding program where I had to watch a lot of videos, a lot of tutorials, online trainings, and you know, Dlubal puts a lot of effort into those things. And so yeah, I had to learn the basics of RFEM and RSTAP, and I thought it might take a while, but it didn't. It simply didn't. I remember I opened RFEM and I was like, let me try to model my own building. And I had this imagined structure of a shopping center in the form of a guitar. And I just spontaneously start imagining and designing at the same time, which was very easy to do because the software was pretty intuitive. I didn't feel like I needed so much experience with RFEM to be able to do what I had to do. So yeah, I was watching videos and trying things out, and in a matter of a few weeks, I ended up with a building that looked like, you know, something some expert in RFEM would actually be able to design. And for me, that was mind-blowing. At that moment, I realized this structure analysis software is actually not that hard to learn. When I saw that I was able to put together a relatively complicated structure with a little experience that I had, I realized, you know what I heard about this software being one of the most intuitive software out there, it was true. It was all true. All you need is technical knowledge, you know, civil engineering background, obviously, expertise in terms of structure analysis and understanding the calculations. But other than that, as a software, it's really one of the most intuitive and powerful structure analysis software out there, for sure. What I like about working at Dlubal, you know, besides the fact that I get to work with awesome colleagues, especially here at the Munich office, we have a young team. We have a lot of working students. It's really a great dynamic. But personally, I feel like one of the most important things to find at any job is the freedom to take initiatives. And I like that at Dlubal because, you know, in the position that I am, I get to go for ideas that I think are best for a certain situation, and I like that. I like having the possibility to be creative and innovative, and I think that has a lot to do with the general spirit at Dlubal Software. You know, we don't have bosses who give orders. We have a team that works together to achieve something, to achieve greatness, to make engineers' lives better and easier.
مرحبا. تعلم جيدا عزيزي المشاهد أن بإمكانك. Bonjour et bienvenue chez Dlubal. Vous savez très bien.
Bionics as a scientific discipline deals with the technical implementation and application.
Feste Auflager oder Auflagegelenke erlauben ebenfalls Drehungen den Lagerpunkt.
Are you designing asymmetric cross sections in your project?
كسمك البلاطة الخرسانية وشكل المقطع العرضي للأعمدة إلى جانب حالات.
La Sagrada Familia de Barcelona. The structure analysis programs are RFEM. Video marketing, in my opinion, is one of the biggest assets that Dlubal Software has. It's amazing how much energy, time, and effort we put into creating the content that's being uploaded on a regular basis, whether on the website, on the YouTube channels, Instagram, LinkedIn, every social media platform, basically. And to be part of that is a blessing, because I personally, I do enjoy making videos, editing them, getting a little creative with effects here and there. It's definitely a fun part of my job, especially when I get to do it in different languages. It's a lot of fun to do, yeah.
And I'm definitely not going to bring up the job openings we've been posting a lot about this week. Today I'm making a very special announcement. Ladies and gentlemen...
Ismail, quick question.
Man, you just interrupted my video, man.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Well, I'm making this video to kind of say thank you for the followers. We reached 10,000 on LinkedIn.
10,000 followers?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm probably disturbing you now.
Yeah, well, it's kind of too late.
Hey guys! What are you doing?
Ismail's trying to record a video. And there are 10,000 followers on LinkedIn.
Wow!
Yeah,
10,000!
10,000. I'm trying to say thank you for your support of that kind of video.
What are you guys doing?
He's trying to record a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a video we made when we reached 10,000 followers on LinkedIn. Daniel asked me to do something simple, just a short video where I say like, thank you for following us. We appreciate it and we look forward to growing more and more, something simple. And I was at the office with Björn, Martina, Hedi, and a few more colleagues. And I was talking to Björn, I said, hey man, I feel like we could make it a little more interesting, put some funny in it. Do you think we should put everyone in the video, make a little scene out of it? And he was like, yeah, sure, go for it. So I said, give me 20 minutes. I grabbed a pen, wrote the script, and called everyone to the break room. We got to rehearse. We have a video to shoot. And we rehearsed it probably once, the second time it was on camera. And they had a little concern with the script. And now that I watch it again, I feel like I understand their concern. I had some convincing to do, definitely. But yeah, it was a fun experience. And it's always fun to have that kind of cool atmosphere at work, to be able to do those things. And it's actually things like that that keep your energy at work at a high level, along with the compliments from the colleagues after that, from Daniel himself. It was a pretty cool experience. Thank you, Dlubal Software. It's been an amazing 2-year experience, and I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you all colleagues for all kinds of help you've been providing me with. J'ai adoré les 2 ans que j'ai passé ici avec vous. Ich bedanke mich ganz, ganz herzlich bei euch allen. شكرا على حسن متابعتكم لنا وإلى اللقاء.